Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Tuesday. Yes, it's Tuesday, August the 10th, 2021. We have a lot of puzzles, 8 puzzles, but I only do 4, half of them. And the third puzzle is a binary puzzle. And remember, constant repetition is important. Yes. Binary puzzle, boys and girls. This is number. Let me. Yeah. This number will be 3224. 3224. All right. And what kind of binary puzzle is this? One. Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 ones. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. 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 Double one here, no, there, no. Double O here, one, there, one. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an O. Oh, correction. It's a 1, of course. Between two O's comes an 1. Okay. Let me dry this. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. We have here 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Is this dry? Yes. So between two O's comes an 1. Between two O's comes an 1. Yeah. Between two O's comes an 1. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1 here, no, there, no. 4 O's we have, so the rest are 1s. 4 O's we have, so the rest are 1s. Between two ones comes an O. 4 O's we have, so the rest are 1s. 4 ones we have in the last column, so the rest are O's. 4 O's in the last row, so the rest are 1s. Okay. Then yeah. I need to think. 1, 2, 3. 3 ones. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 1s, so the rest are O's. We need to compare here these 2 rows, alright. We cannot compare this column. How about that column? The first column and the third column. 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 empty box 0 0. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. 4 O's we have, so the rest are 1s. Double one, here no, there no. Finish in 5 minutes exactly. Yes. Wow. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a few seconds with the last puzzle of today. In this additional, it will be a killer Sudoku mix, aka Sudoku mix. Yes, see you then. Bye bye for now.